EnergyBrain is a system that monitors buildings to assess performance of the buildings. Every meter in the building, the gas, electricity, water, even oil, or even solar, we connect to the internet so that instead of reading the meter once a month the way a utility does, we read it every hour. And we see exactly what's happening in the building. Whether there are problems, whether there's electrical uses that shouldn't be there, whether there's gas consumption is too high, whether there's water leakage, all these things you can see. Generally, our customers have been multi-residential buildings, apartment buildings. But in the last few years, we've been doing more and more commercial buildings, schools, government buildings, people who just want to see what's happening in the building, then you can manage it. It's like having an electrocardiogram for your body. The way a building's using resources is analogous to an organism. We can see exactly what's going on. Buildings, the way they're built right now, the way they're managed right now, are a gold mine of inefficiency. We need EnergyBrain to give us the clarity, to give us the feedback on what's going on. Things are always going wrong, Murphy's Law. For example, they may have done a water retrofit in 2, 3, 4 years ago, putting in new toilets, fixtures, but gradually the water is steadily increasing in consumption, or nighttime use. The 24-hour use is steadily increasing. It's an indicator of water leakage that goes on 24/7. You should be getting into the building, looking at all your fixtures, looking at the toilets. I'm amazed to start monitoring buildings and see that basically there's very, very little control, that all the gas, all the heating system is controlled manually by people switching on a boiler when it seems to be getting colder, and then it gets colder still, they switch on a second boiler, and they're just running steadily. I mean, this is a huge waste of energy. They can be saving tens of thousands of dollars a year. It's a step-by-step process. You never completely finish. Conservation of energy is a continuous process. We're always innovating. The other important factor is that to make data simple to understand, turning information into actionable steps is really important. Gradually, all homes will have feedback system to say, oh, you left the fridge door open, or that the furnace filter needs to be changed. Our strength is in the analysis of data, not just the acquisition of data. That translates into understanding patterns in the data that translates into problems that we can see with, for example, boiler, water, or electrical systems.